Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my messy locks. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. So I use this one to continue my wrap. When the first one's finished, and I use this one to start my wrap. It's mixed with the PassionTwist braiding hair and also the Marley hair. So I already took the hair from the left, and I am just gonna start wrapping my messy locks the way I do for any type of locks. But as we go, I am going to try to take a little piece of the curly hair, just a little piece. Just take a little piece out of the curly hair or the Marley hair, whatever hair you want to take out, you take out. You know, it's a freestyle lock, it's messy, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And then when you do that, you just keep wrapping. At first, you know, it might look a certain way, but trust me, it's all gonna come together as we go. So I'm just gonna keep doing that every single time I wrap. Not every single time I wrap, but like whenever I just feel like, okay, we need something, I'll just, you know, take out a little bit more and just keep wrapping. And then when I'm done, I am going to burn it. You don't have to burn it for it to stay, but I've always used the burning method for all my locks. But I'm trying to, someday I'm going to try, you know, the not burning method just to see how long it's going to last. I've not used it before for myself. That is why I don't want to use it for my clients, because I can only speak for what I know and experience. So again, as you can see, I start with the PassionTwist hair and the kinky hair, which is the Marley hair. I start with that one. They're already mixed together, and I just start wrapping and just keep wrapping. And then when you feel like you need to take out some piece, you just take out a little piece, and then you just keep wrapping. At first, you know, it might seem complicated, but trust me, you know, I thought it was gonna take way longer time than I normally take for my, you know, goddess locks and full locks, but it actually took about the same time. So you just keep wrapping. Yeah, I know that could be really, really complicated sometimes. You gotta just, you know, just keep doing it, keep doing. That looked like it hurts, but trust me, it doesn't hurt at all, because I'm not really dragging it here. I'm just dragging, you know, the extra piece. And sometimes I do cut it just because. You don't have to, but I was just doing it just because it just looked weird. It just looked weird to me compared to like other locks. But you don't have to, because I don't for all of them. Okay, so this might show you a little bit of me trying to take an extra piece out. Okay, so that one, I'm going to show you how I kind of like take the extra piece, because I know that when you fold the locks for you to start wrapping, at some point the shorter one that you folded might, you know, might run out quickly. So you have to start taking a little piece of hair from, you know, the one that you wrap with. As you can see, I just put my fingers in between and just take whatever you think you need. It might be more, might be less, but trust me, again, don't think too deep about this process. It's all gonna come, you know, together. Don't think too much. Just keep wrapping, keep taking out, and trust me. I know I've said like trust me a million times, because I want you to trust me. It's gonna come together. So as you can see, I'm almost done, and I get really excited when I get to this part, because, you know, I'm almost done. I'm done with the, you know, the bottom, and now I only have the top to do. So as you can see, I would have to like go back again, one wrap, and like wrap it again. That's because sometimes when you wrap, you know, unintentionally, you tend to kind of skip a wrap, and then your client's hair kind of show through. So you kind of have to just go back and just wrap it again, just so it doesn't really show through, because you don't, like, again, you're protecting the hair, so, and you're, you know, locking it, so you don't want your client's hair to show through the lock, because it doesn't really, you know, go together to me. it doesn't really go together to me. So just try as much not to let your client's hair show through. Some people might wonder why I twist or braid my client's hair with the kinky hair first before I start wrapping it. That's just because if you want a certain thickness, you have to just keep either adding more of the wrapping hair, or when you first twist the hair, like when you first braid the hair before you wrap, you make it thicker. So I tried this method. When I did mine, I'm also going to insert a clip of how mine looks, but I added some curls in mine though, so it might be a little bit different. But when I did mine, I first, I did the exact same thing that I'm doing for her. But again, I only do for my clients what I've done to myself, because if it works for me, then it's going to work for my clients. And it wasn't heavy at all. And it looked like it might be heavy, but trust me, it's like the lightest locks I've ever had. This is my first MESSYLOCS, and I do like them, but I had them on me for like a month before I actually insert the curls in it. I don't really like the one with the curls because, of course, make it look a little bit messier and natural looking, but it's so high maintenance. The next time I would not be doing the one with the curls. I would just do the other one. As you see, and now I'm going to continue my wrap with the hair that you saw earlier from the right, and I'm just going to fold it again, because personally to me it's always easier to take out little pieces from the shorter ones, because I just don't want to have to pull my fingers through my wrap, the hair that I use for my wrapping. So I just fold and then just keep taking until I don't have any more to take from. Then I start taking from the one that I used to wrap. Yeah, so we're almost done. As you can see, again, just keep taking out. If you can, try to take out the curly one more, because it looks really, really nice when you're done. Trust me, really, really nice. But again, like I said, it doesn't matter. But to me, when you take out the curly one more, it looks really, really nice, especially at the front. And you're gonna see it after picture, so you can see what I'm talking about. Yay, so this is the last one. So as you can see, I'm not gonna cut this one that I just took out. I know in the earlier videos I cut the first one out, just because, like I said, you don't have to, because I'm not gonna cut this one. I don't really need to. It's still gonna look nice, and I just love it just the way it is. Now we're done, and I'm going to be using the mousse all over the locks, at the top, at the bottom, and the scalp, everything. And this is the finished product, guys. As you can see, everything goes together at the end. And this is my client, so gorgeous. And this is the first time getting these two. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.